Hello, this is Reggie again with A Team Appliance, and bringing a video today. This is just a warning for those who buy machines from private sellers. So, I got this Whirlpool set, which I'll show a picture on the video, off a private seller. Nice guy. The set was um, in his storage unit, and he moved it to his home, and he moved in with his brother, I guess, and his brother had a set, so they got a totally different one. So he's getting rid of this. So good story. I looked at, couldn't test it because it was in his garage, which is common. And so now I'm reconditioning it, and this is exactly why you can't really take someone's word for it. The guy wasn't. I don't think the guy was lying. He just didn't know. So as you can see, a couple of things. Just took this lid off. Look like see, there's electrical burn marks here. So at one point, and then this is wire nutted. So looks like at one point maybe this had burned out and touched this, and this had a big spark. And then I'm looking at like this fuse has been bypassed here. So this fuse basically tells you when the exhaust is overheating. So probably where it was located. So I don't know if the guy did it or maybe he hired a technician to do this. And so that the exhaust was overheating, and to prevent that exhaust hose from catching fire, this usually gets triggered. But somebody just bypassed it, which isn't good. So I'm going to go ahead and test the heat regulator here. And this is your heating element. The heat regulator goes, that turns the heat element off and on at a particular temperature to maintain a particular temperature. And this is your high limit fuse. So this blows if the temperature inside the drum or an element gets too hot. So that will just turn off the heat. And this is another high limit fuse for your exhaust. And when this goes out, the whole dryer will not turn on. So we got that for the dryer, and look, you see some lint there, and that will cause a little restriction with airflow. Here's the dryer duct, not too bad, a little lint there. The bottom was completely clean, so I don't know, maybe the other guy did that. And as far as the washer, now notice the valves right there, you see that, are bent. And I think the guy told me he moved it in his SUV, so I'm thinking that probably is what did that. And also the lid switch on this thing is like it's maybe 2 or 3 door closes from breaking. Again, I don't think the customer lied to me. I just think he just didn't know. And then also when he moved it, he did further damage, which he probably wasn't aware of either. So again, a person will tell you like, yeah, it worked when we put it in storage. This is why you want to buy machines from people that actually refurbish it, used appliance stores that actually refurbish their machines. Now they're not perfect either, but at least you can hold somebody accountable. Like, if I didn't buy this would have went to someone that wanted to save some money, and you could potentially had a fire because this is bypassed. So yeah, you definitely, that's a fire hazard there. In which, if you buy it from, if a used appliance store did that, at least you have somebody to hold accountable. This guy, I can't go back to him and say, oh, I want my money back because all this is done. No, it was a private seller, and it's as is. That's how it goes. So I pick these things up, I refurbish them, and I always check them over because I never take anyone's word for it. Any questions? Feel free to comment below. Thanks.